Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Hope you're having a fantastic day. All right. Today is May the 29th of 2025. We have finally made it to day number 50. The big 50, guys. We've made it. Day number 50 of this MLGS Secret ClickBank challenge. If you guys have no idea what we're doing, okay, if you're just new to this video today, we are doing a 1 year challenge, okay, a 365-day challenge promoting one offer from ClickBank and using the MLGS Secret system. Okay, we're going to put those together and we're going to somehow see if we can earn a full-time income doing it, all right? And I'm going to walk you guys through this step by step on how to send out an email, how to grab that offer from ClickBank, use the free email swipes, create your own emails, and we're going to plug all that in together and we're going to make this thing work. All right. So I'm very excited to be here, guys. We've made it to day number 50. If you guys have been following along with me, thank you for sticking sticking it out with me this far. It's just going to get better. Okay, guys. In the beginning, it's a little bumpy. Okay, with this, but as we level this out and we stay consistent and we send out these emails every day, we come in and you guys follow along with me. The more and more we do this, the more progress we're going to see. Okay. So we've made it to day number 50, guys. I'm going to hop right into it in this video. I'm going to show you how easy it is to send out an email in the system. And then we're going to check the results from last night's email that we sent out. We're going to see if we got any traffic or got anything new happen, if we got any sales or got any rebills or anything like that. All right, guys. So let's just go ahead and pop right into it. All right. So let's go ahead and go over in here to the MLGS Secret system. If you guys have no idea what MLGS Secret system is, MLGS Secret is an email service that provides 100 or 200 leads every single day. Okay. Now the people coming into these leads, these are business opportunity leads. Okay. These people are looking for ways to earn income online. Okay, it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and find offers that are related to business opportunities. Okay, that are related to making money online. Okay, we create an email, we put our affiliate link into those emails, and then we send those emails out to this traffic. Okay. Now, I can't tell you that this MLGS Secret traffic, it does work. I've been with MLGS Secret over a few years now. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic, and I can attest to say that this traffic does work and it does convert. All right. Now, one thing I do want to tell you guys, I want to share with you that this is cold traffic. Okay. This is not warm traffic. This is cold traffic. Okay. This is traffic that when you send out an email, these people have no idea who you are. Okay. So what we do and the whole algorithm here, guys, is to send out emails to this list every single day. So these people can kind of get familiar with who you are. And then in the end, and as time progresses, these people start to trust us and then they start to open our emails and they start to see what we're doing and they start to purchase from us. Okay. That's what kind of traffic this is. So this is something that you have to stick with and you have to send out emails every single day. All right. So like I said, I've been with them over a few years, and now that I've been with them this long, I can come back and share with you guys a system and a method that does work, okay? Because it worked for me, and if it worked for me, then it can work for you, okay? Now, for this video series, what I've done is I've created a brand new ClickBank account, okay? And I wanted to show you guys from scratch, just from a newbie, okay, on how to set up an account with ClickBank, okay? And then also how to pick an offer and then how to send out an email in the MLGS Secret system. So if you guys want to get caught up, go back to day one of this video, okay, and kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. Now, if you guys want to get started with MLGS Secret, you guys can go below this video and you can click on this link right here. This link right here is going to take you to the MLGS Secret page, to my page and my affiliate page. And this is where you can kind of sign up and get started. Now, the cool thing about MLGS Secret system is that you can create multiple accounts with this platform. Okay. Now, the more accounts that you have, the more emails that you have, and the more likelihood that you're going to be able to find someone that's going to be interested in what you're doing. Okay, so multiple accounts is something that I recommend everyone doing. Okay, If you guys only have one account or two accounts, it's going to take you longer to see results and get results. Okay. You're going to have to at least get 3 to 5 accounts for you to start, for this method to work for you. Okay. Right now, I have 8 accounts. Okay. So I have 8 different accounts that I promote and that I come in every single day and I send out emails to. Okay. I do not miss days. Okay. On sending out emails. Okay. That's very important, with this method. All right. So let's go ahead and hop right to it. Okay. This is the My Lead Gen Secret back office. This is what your back office is going to look like if you join. Okay, it's going to look exactly like this. The only thing different is that the emails that I send out and the emails that you send out may be different. Okay, it just depends on what you're promoting. All right. Now, I've already sent out my email today already. Before I shot this video, I just went ahead and knocked out my 8 accounts and just knocked those out. Took me about 5-10 minutes to knock those accounts out. Okay, so if you come back here, this is the back office. Right here is the My Leads. This is where you're going to see the leads coming in. As you can see, this account is one of my last accounts. I'm getting 100 leads. And what it takes that whatever you get 100 or 200 is however many accounts that you have. Okay, so my accounts from 1 all the way up to 8. Okay, my 8th account is the only one that gets 100 leads. Okay, so everything else gets 200 leads. Okay. Now, if I sign up, make another account and sign up for a ninth account, then I will get a 200 leads in this account and then 100 in that new account that I had. Okay. So this is the May the 29th. I received 100 new leads that I emailed out today. I was able to reach 100 brand new people that never seen my offer, and then I was able to get in front of those people. Okay. Master email swipes. These are additional emails that you can go purchase for $30. I purchased them in the past. They do convert. Okay. They're written by a 6-figure email marketer. Okay. So those leads work. Now, for the sake of for this video series, we're just going to use the free email swipes from the vendor. Now, you can go out and buy these swipes if you like. Okay, it's up to you. Okay. Now, the mailing system. This is where you're going to do all the mailing at. Okay. Now, if you guys sent out an email in Gmail, if you know how to send out an email in Gmail or Yahoo or whatever email platform that you have, if you ever sent out an email, you can do this method, guys. That's how easy it is. Just sending emails. Okay, that's all we got to do. What we could do here in My Lead Gen Secret, you can send out one email every 24 hours. Okay, so that's what we do. That's why I come back here around the same time, same place every day, and I send out these emails. Okay, and then I come show you guys, what I'm doing. All right. So let's go ahead and go down here to the mailing system. Okay. And what we're going to want to do is you're going to select all. Your leads are going to be over here. You move them over here to the portal. That way they can load up. And then when we send out an email, it's going to go to all of these people right here. So this email that we're getting ready to send is going to go out to 53,000 people. Okay. Which is really awesome. One email blast goes out to all those people. Okay. And then the offer that we are promoting is going to be an offer called live chat jobs on ClickBank. So if you go to ClickBank and you go to click on J Mentor, and then you go into the marketplace, you're going to look for an offer called Social Sales Rep, which is live chat jobs. It's in the e-business, e-marketing niche. It's only in the business opportunity niches. Okay. And we're going to use this offer right here. Okay, guys. So let's go ahead and go to the free email swipes that they have. So you just want to click on email swipes. And these emails are the ones that we're sending out every day. Okay. The cool thing about this, guy, is that a lot of this stuff is already done for you. Okay. All you got to do is come in and copy exactly what I'm doing. Do exactly what I do, guys. Okay. It's just that simple. I'm showing you guys where to go, how to do it, and showing you the results. Okay. So if you're someone looking for extra income, this is going to be the income that you're going to be able to accumulate for yourself. Okay. So these emails right here, 1 through 20. Once you get to 20, you're going to go back up to 1 and go back to 20, go back to 1. And then here, maybe in the next few days, I'm going to show you guys how to go over to ChatGPT and how to create your own emails using these same emails. Okay. We're going to rewrite these emails. Okay, guys. And we're going to make them our own. All right. And we're going to make them unique. Okay. Excuse me. All right. So you guys want to come down here and let's go ahead and grab email 6. Okay. So we're going to grab the subject line, go ahead and copy it, Control C, come back over here to the platform, Control V. It's just that simple, guys. Okay. Come down here and we want to click on perfect timing and we want to come back over here to the offer. Okay, let me see here, guys, because I may have sent this one out. Yeah, okay, yeah, I sent this one out yesterday. So let's go ahead and try number 7. All right. So take this subject line. Okay, Control C. Come back over here to the mailing system, and let's go back up here to the subject line. You want to take that out. Okay, and Control V. You don't want to send the same email twice. You want to make it something different. That way, it gives your prospects, like you're sending different stuff every single day, not the same thing over and over and over again. All right. You want to grab the body. Grab that body, okay? Control C. It's a pretty long email, okay? And then you want to come here, take that out, Control V. Take out this signature part right here, guys, and put in either your name and first and last name or management, whichever one, okay? Where it says hi name at the top of the email, you want to take that out and you want to put a code in there. And this code is going to address our prospect by their first name, okay? So you want to come down here and you want to take this out and you want to Control V. Boom. Super easy. So what that does is it puts this code in here. So when our emails go out, we address our prospect by their first name. Okay. Because when these people that come in on these emails, they have to put in their name and email address and information in order to be on this list. Okay. So we already know their first name. Okay, so it's just going to say like, hi, Jermaine, hi, John, whatever that person's name is, it's going to address them by that name, right? So you want to come here and wherever it has a hop link, a clickable link where it says read here, learn more, hit this link. We want to turn those into clickable links, okay? So let's go ahead and go here. And underneath every email that you send, okay, there's going to be a hop link, a affiliate link that goes with this email, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to grab this link, okay? And we're going to Control C. Now right here is where you're going to want to you put in your affiliate ID, okay? So let's go ahead and go here and Control V. All right, pretty cool. All right, so we want to take this out and let's put in your ClickBank affiliate ID that you came up with whenever you signed up for the program, okay? Click on OK. Now what that does, it turns that into a clickable link, as you can see. Hit this link to apply. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, let's go ahead and click that link, Control V, and we want to take this and we want to come here, take that out right there. Okay, and let's put in our affiliate link. All right. Don't put in mine, put in yours. Okay. That way you get that way you get the commission, not me. Okay. Control A. And what I like to do is make this either 16 or 18 on the size. That way it's easy to read for my prospect whenever they're trying to look at their email. Okay. Now look at this email. It looks really good. Okay. Everything looks perfect. All right. Hi, my customer's name. And then I got 2 clickable links right here for my prospect to click on whenever they see it. Okay. So down here at the bottom, there's going to be 2 buttons. It's going to say preview and one is going to say send now. You want to click on preview. When you click on preview, you want to click on these links, these 2 links, and you want to make sure that they work. You want to make sure that they're going to your affiliate page. That way that you can get the commission for this email. Okay. If someone decides to buy. All right. After you preview it and you click on both links to make sure your URL is showing up your affiliate link is showing up in the URL, you want to click on send now. Click on send now. Boom. That's how easy it is, guys, to send out an email in the MyLegion secret system. It's very easy to do. Okay. Now, if you have problems sending out these emails, go back and watch this video, okay? And you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. If it takes you a little bit longer to learn stuff, just go back and rewind this video and follow these steps that I'm doing, right? Because I'm showing you exactly how to send out an email. Okay, it's just super easy to do. Even an 8-year-old can probably do this. Okay, if you show them how to do it. All right, pretty easy to do. So that's it. That's it, guys. Your work is done. Okay. If you have multiple accounts, what you would do is you would sign out and you would log into your other accounts. Pretty much, you would keep this tab open and you're going to copy and paste everything over to your other account if you got multiple accounts. That's how we do it. Okay. So that's it, guys. Yesterday, we sent out an email last night. And I want to check the results from that. If you guys don't know what ClickBank is a network marketing platform that provides, tons of different offers. They got tons of different niches, such as make money online. You have health and fitness, you have spirituality. You have so many different niches to choose from. But the niche that we're using is the e-business, e-marketing, right? So let's go ahead and go to, we sent out an email last night. Let's go ahead and go to the reporting tab and let's just see how we did. All right. Let's see here. So today is the 29th. So today we got over 897 unique hops, I'm sorry. And then 611 unique hops. These are brand new IP addresses that came to our email. Okay. These are brand new people. Okay. So we have an opportunity to get in front of that many people. Okay. We got one order form impression. This is someone who went to the checkout page. They decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Today we got a sale. Okay. And this was what I was talking to you about in the video last night when we didn't get a sale. I was telling you, like, hey guys, we didn't get a sale for a couple of days. I'm gonna be looking for another sale. And what happens, right? Long and behold, we got a sale today. Okay. A free trial. Now we don't get paid on that free trial. We get paid on that free trial in 3 days. Okay. So today is Thursday. We probably won't see this sale until maybe Sunday. Okay. Or Saturday or Sunday is when we'll receive that. Okay. Well, I believe Sunday is when we'll receive that $20 commission. Okay. Now, if you guys been following these video series, we shot a video 3 days ago. Okay. And we got a sale 3 days ago. This is the rebill from the 3 days ago that we sent out. Okay. I was waiting on this to come in. Okay. Now it's here. All right. So we got a sale today, and we also got a rebill from the few days ago when we sent out an email. We got a sale a few days ago. This is the sale from that. So we did earn money today, and we got a commission today. Okay, which is really good. All right. Now, one thing that I'm gonna be looking for is the rebills. A lot of rebills that are coming from the last 30 days. We've made it to day number 50. We got 10 more days to end out 2 months of promoting this offer. And what's going to end up happening is the reason why that we are promoting this offer is because it has a rebill of $28, I believe, every single month. Okay, to our prospect. Okay, so let's go into the email. I'm gonna show you real quick. Let's Okay, so if you go down right here, live chat jobs. Okay, every single month, our prospect is going to get billed $28.14. Okay, as an affiliate, we get 85% commissions of, or 75 to 85% commissions of that offer. Okay. So we're going to get $20. All right. A rebill of every single month. So our prospect, all we got to do is do the work one time. Our prospect signs up for the free trial, for the dollar trial. We don't get anything. They get billed 3 days later. We get that commission. And then they get billed every single month on this day that they sign up. So next month around this same time, they're going to get billed $20 again. Okay. The likelihood of someone staying on and working with this is usually 3 to 6 months and more. Okay. So I've already received some rebills from the first 30 set of 30 days of this challenge that are coming in now. So we're going to be looking for those $20 that are coming in every single month. Okay, guys. And that's the whole big thing about this. This is why I'm promoting this offer, because it has a rebill and has a residual income. And our job is to stack these $20 on top of each other every month. That way we can have $40 days, $60 days, $80 days, $100 days, $120 days. Okay, guys, and up. Okay, but this is something that you have to stick with and have to keep doing. All right. So that's it, guys. I'm not going to waste any more of your time. I just wanted to show you how to do stuff. Okay, how to send out an email in the system. Okay, I wanted to show you the emails that we sent out last night and the results that we got. It's the 29th. We did get a sale today, which is really good. Okay. And then also we got a rebill from a few days ago. Okay. Now this sale is going to be, we'll be looking at this on Sunday when we shoot our video on Sunday. Sunday night, it's going to be, the $20 should be showing up. All right. So that's it. I'm going to end this video on that note, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys.